Hey guys, welcome back to I'll be showing you how to make a washing machine, a fidget washing machine. Also, you don't have to really make a washing machine to wash them. There are different ways to wash them, like putting it on the sink, but this is just a fun way to do if you're bored. Okay, so you'll need a container. You'll need this like container or any container. 3 glasses of water, any soap, and any fidget, and just any washcloth. I don't even care. Okay, so we're gonna, as you see, we're gonna take the fidget off the washcloth. We're gonna put it in the container. As you see, it's in the container. Now we're gonna add 3 glasses of water. 1, 2. I'm very bad at pouring this because I only have one, because this is my left hand and not my right. 3 glasses of water. Now I'm gonna wash up my hand. Now we're gonna add a little bit of soap. Just gonna add a little bit of soap. Can you see that? Oh no, I got spilled, dripped. Now we have all the soap. We'll put the lid on. So make sure that's securely on. Guys, make sure it's securely on. Then I'm gonna kinda shake it for a second. And you can see the needle is going around and round. You don't want to need to shake it that long. You can barely hear the water. Here you are. Now let's find the needle, guys. Here it is. As you can see, here it is. Wow, look at that, guys. Now I'm gonna go pour out the bubbles real quick. Okay, here's a washcloth. This is not an original idea, by the way. You'll have to take the washcloth. You'll have to kind of clean off the bubbles. Now, it's gonna take you a minute to clean off the bubbles. See, it's gonna be a little sticky, so you maybe want to let it dry for a bit. Maybe leave it in the washcloth, kind of wrap it up in the washcloth. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Start out. Bye.